Hello, hello. We're gonna go on walking along Playa Camarones, Camarones Beach. This is starting off by Villa Premier, which is the northern end of the beach. We'll be walking south along this, the first and one of the most important beaches in downtown Puerto Vallarta. We can see a zoom in. You'll see that it's right north of the Malecon. Let's see here, Playa Camarones. Camarones means shrimp, or shrimps, no? Yips. So anyway, here we are walking along. The beach is it's relatively long. I mean, it's 2,100 feet long, 640 meters, and stretches, as said, from Villa Premier on the north end to Hotel Rosita, right before the Hotel Rosita on the south side. There are a few hotels along the way. The beach itself is a popular beach in town. Some years ago, it was certified blue flag, a certified blue flag beach, which means it's very clean, the water, and well taken care of. Plus, there's access to services and a number of around 30-something features that are included to be able to certify yourself or certify the beach. This was just before sundown, the 17th of December 2021. Here we're walking right in front of a restaurant. To the left is from Buenaventura Hotel, and this is Nicaragua Street. Right beside is Barracuda, which is a seafood restaurant bar. There you can see it on the left side, Barracuda. It was a relatively calm day. The waves were not that strong, and people were enjoying their afternoon at the beach and the sunset, of course. There are a number of hotels in this stretch: Villa Premier, Buenaventura, and then there's Hotel El Pescador and Hotel Rosita at the end of the beach. Those are the best known. There are a few hotels that are not directly on the beach that are also available. We're going to see sort of a sped up version of the sunset. We might add the real one in real time in another video. It was going to interrupt the flow of the video, so I sped it up. But it's here on Playa Camarones. The beach itself is relatively popular, as mentioned. It's also well located. So if you're walking along the Malecon northward, you just pass a little stretch in front of Hotel Rosita, and you're on the beach. There's some stairs down. So I would include it among the better beaches in the downtown area, just because of the location and because it's been certified a clean beach. Right now, I'm not sure how their certifications are. They're up to date and so on, but when I was visiting it, they had their certification. All the streets in the downtown area, at least in general, all the streets and the ones that are from east to west or west to east end on the beach. So there's no special access points, no private access. It's all very, very easy. You just take any street that goes from east to west in the downtown area, unless you're along the Malecon, you'll end up on a beach. In the case of from Villa Premier south, San Salvador south, the street San Salvador, and the streets further south until Jesus Langarica, which is the one right beside Hotel Rosita, all the streets end by the beach. Here we're walking in front of Panama Street, which has an arch. It's recognizable. And then, as said, all the streets from here, from along Camarones, end on the beach. So there's no problem accessing the beach, no complication there. Just anywhere you walk in, you'll get there. Maybe there's some that are easier than others with a wheelchair. That I do not know actually. It's a nice place to just pass the time, a little drink, watch the sunset, or enjoy the beach. You take your dogs, have them on a leash. There's a lot of people running around doing all kinds of things, and dogs are unpredictable. So keep them on a leash. I've seen many people bringing their dogs and setting them loose. That's not a responsible thing to do. You never know how dogs are going to react. We're seeing a little fly over to the right is Hotel El Pescador, which is here right in the middle of the screen now in the background is Hotel El Pescador. We're walking in front of Mango Bar, popular Mango's Beach Club, right on the corner of Uruguay Street and the beach. The orange staircase there on the left takes you up to Hotel El Pescador, if you're staying there. If not, you're not supposed to go up. And here's Hotel El Pescador. One of two old hotels, including Hotel Rosita. More or less the same, from the same time. Hotel Rosita was built in 1948 as one of the first hotels. Actually, I think the first hotel on the beach would be Hotel Rosita. Hotel Paraíso was built in the 1950s. Hotel Rosita 1948. Then there's was Hotel Océano, which was Hotel Gutierrez, where the Morelos Theater was in the past. It moved to Hotel Océano. I think that may be the first. Yeah, Hotel Gutierrez, which later became Hotel Océano, was the first actual hotel. Here we're arriving or getting closer to the end of the beach. The rocks you can see on the southern end are like a breakwater built by Hotel Rosita. I'm not sure if they did it, or at least it's a protection. And that has a little sidewalk that takes you to the Los Milenios, the Millennia sculpture, which is what one would consider the start of the Malecon, the boardwalk. So once you get to the end of Camarones, you just walk up a few stairs, walk along the sidewalk in front of Hotel Rosita, get to the Milenios sculpture, and then walk a little bit along the 31 de Octubre, October 31st Street, and then you're at the Malecon. That's the northern end of the Malecon, and then you just walk south from there. So this is the end of the beach. Well, hopefully it was an interesting video, that you enjoyed it and it's useful. So if so, sign up to our channel here on YouTube, give it a like, share it if you want. Thanks for watching the video. Until the next one, bye bye.